What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about today's video. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing slash review slash how-to style of my new UGG boots. First of all, I am just like super hyped that UGGs are coming back into style. I know like we had our moment like probably in middle school and high school, and then they kind of fizzled out and everyone was kind of over it, but now with their like shorter style boots, everyone is starting to wear them again. And I am so excited about it because UGGs are super comfortable. You can throw them on with literally any outfit and it looks great. So as soon as I saw that like people were starting to wear them again, which I know shouldn't like even matter, but I saw this specific style that I've never seen before, I was like, I'm ordering these right now. And that's literally what I did. I've been on a little shopping spree recently, especially around like Black Friday and stuff. I know it's like getting gifts for other people, but also like the sales, I'm like, I'm gonna get a ton of stuff for myself, even though I definitely shouldn't. But I'm really excited about this purchase. I'm gonna be getting a lot of wear out of these. So here they are. I got the UGG Classic Mini 2 boot. So this is a shorter style boot than the normal ones. I used to have like the gray knit ones that were super tall and then another taller chestnut pair, which I don't know why I ever got rid of them because they're so comfortable and things always come back into style. One day it'll be like, ooh, it's so vintage. So I've decided that I'm just not gonna sell like stuff like this anymore. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Because I'm definitely gonna wear it again and it'll always come back into style. So here they are. Whoa, whoa, God, I am slippery today. So cute. I love where it cuts on the ankle, and I love just the regular chestnut color. I didn't want to do anything too crazy. It has the little UGG sticker on the back, and then the inside is just so soft. It feels like you're walking on like a fluffy cloud. It's just so good. I absolutely love UGG, and I'm really excited about these. I know whenever you get new UGGs, they do suggest doing like the waterproof thing. I haven't done that. I also live in LA, so it doesn't really rain. So I'm probably just gonna try not to wear these when it rains, but you may wanna do some research if you buy some UGGs and you live in a place where it like rains a lot. You might wanna get some of that spray, but these boots do come in quite a few different colors. I can tell you right now. Oh my gosh, there's so many. So there's a navy, there's a violet, there's a black, there's a gray, there's a chocolate, there's a chestnut, there's a hibiscus pink, there's a shade. Why is it called shade? And there's an ash fog. Wow, they have like, look at those. They look more pink on camera. In person, they look red. Or on the phone, they look red. On the camera, they look pink. But tons of different colors. I love wearing these with sweats. They also look really cute since they are the shorter style. If you wear some high Nike socks with them and let the Nike peek out and then like scrunch up some sweatpants, or if you have leggings and it's like skin tight and then you have the Nike and this. So cute. I've worn these every day since I've gotten them. It's been probably like a week now and I've worn these at least once a day. They're just so easy to throw on whenever you go out. I know they're sold out on a ton of different sites because everyone's really excited about these boots and that they're coming back. So I went to a site called Shields and they had them. That was the only place that I could find them. I think UGG didn't have them, Nordstrom didn't have them, Macy's didn't have them, literally nowhere had them. They're sold out everywhere. So I was really excited that I found these. I'll link the place that I got them below. They are authentic, they're real. They are the real UGGs. So yeah, I'm just really, as you can tell, excited that these are back, better than ever. I'm really loving this style. I'm going to show you guys a few ways to style these today. So let's go ahead and just jump right into that part of the video. Okay, cool. Okay, so I didn't even mean to make this an outfit, but I stood up and I was like, wait, this skirt low-key matches the UGGs, and this isn't something like I normally would wear, but I realized it may be something someone else may wear, and it low-key is kind of a vibe. I thought the short boots looked really cute with the long skirt, and then I was like, oh, I'll just throw on like a cream puffer, just make it a complete neutral outfit. Super cozy, but still cute. I feel like the skirt definitely kind of dresses up the fit. The UGGs make it a little bit more casual, so it can just be like an everyday running errands type of fit. So now I have it styled as kind of like a business casual look. So I just paired it with some jeans, a tank top, and a blazer. I feel like the Uggs definitely make the look more casual. If you didn't want it to be casual, just throw on some boot heels, but I feel like the Uggs make it look warm and cozy, super cute for the fall time, and it's always just great to have a blazer in your closet to just throw on over a fit. And I actually really like this outfit. I never would have thought to pair this together, so that is the second way to style. So next I styled it as a comfy, casual, everyday look, perfect for fall. For winter time, you can just throw on like a puffer jacket over this, or any type of jacket really works. Just paired with jeans, super casual. You can run errands in this, you could lounge around the house in this. I like to wear my Uggs around the house because they feel like slippers, but these can be worn as everyday shoes, and this definitely is giving off like teddy bear cozy vibes. Okay, so now I styled a comfy cozy look with the Nike socks sticking out, like I said, and it looks so cute. I love pairing my Uggs with leggings. I also love how the pink color looks with the chestnut boots. So super fun, super cute, super cozy. Okay, so I wish I would have had these Uggs during the fall season because I feel like this is the perfect outfit to wear to go to the pumpkin patch. I'm all about denim in the fall, and I think the chestnut color just in general I really like. It's a classic color and it goes with just about anything. I mean, it does go with anything, but I feel like it looks really, really cute with denim. The romper definitely dresses up the fit, and then I feel like the Uggs always bring it back to a more casual type of look. How easy is this outfit to just throw on if you're getting up, you're in a hurry, just put on your romper, throw on your Uggs, and you're ready to go. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to style your new Uggs. I'm assuming you got these Uggs or you're about to get them if you're watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free. We can be friends. It'll be such a great time. Also, make sure you follow my Instagram at laurenluto. I post a ton of fashion looks, and you can get all of the outfit inspo. Make sure you hit the bell button so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, make sure you like and comment down below, and I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye guys!